have a 4-acre farm, and this is our plantation of Douglas fir trees. So the trees were planted in 2009. There was nothing on this land, it was just hayland. So we started with seedlings that were between somewhere as high as 2 feet and somewhere as high as a foot. They were spaced 8 feet apart, so it was going to be a Christmas tree farm. Several years later, I decided that why am I mowing in between the trees every week and just to cut them down? So one day I came in from the field very hot and bothered, threw a branch in a pot of strawberries. We now have strawberry and fir vinegar. This is a brand new growth that has grown this year. So this tree has put on 4 to 6 inches of growth for the year. Now we'll go into the shop and see our finished product. Let's go. Our original Douglas fir vinegar. So what we're harvesting is the brand new tips in the springtime. A strawberry fir, one with Douglas fir and chili. I have a crab apple, which I don't have any larger bottles left right now, and a blueberry fir. Then we also make a topping for brie cheese called Fir and Fire. So you would spread this on top of a brie and bake it. We have a dipping sauce for chicken, fish. We also make a West Coast bread mix. So this is great if you add some of our sparkling fir to the mix, stir it, bake it, and you've got a loaf of bread. We also use the West Coast bread as a batter for fish or prawns. The sparkling fir is our version of a non-alcoholic beverage that can be paired with alcohol. So it works fabulous with Victoria Distillers Blue Gin and our Douglas fir because the gin goes from blue to bright pink. We also have a Douglas fir seasoning blend. So the Douglas fir seasoning blend I made into a pesto this week. This is our nut cheese and this is our Douglas fir pesto.
Wow.
So it makes a real yummy appetizer. We've actually just been marinating some mushrooms, so we will have some pickled mushrooms for sampling this summer done with the Douglas fir and chili vinegar. This is a lavender, so it's just about ready to pick, and then we'll infuse it and make it into a lavender vinegar. So it'll be used for fruit salads, it'll be used in cocktails, it'll be used as a cheesecake topping. There's endless possibilities for the lavender. So these are the Rugosa roses that we use in our rose and cardamom vinegar. So it's roses and cardamom. This one can be used in cocktails. It can be used also in a fruit salad. It's really nice with lamb. There's a lot of different things you can do with it. Salads. So this is a lemon verbena. So when you rub the leaves of the lemon verbena plant, it's extremely lemony and fragrant. It makes absolutely fabulous fresh tea. We can freeze it to make ice cream, and we make a vinegar with it. So this with fish is fabulous. This is black lace sambuca, or our elderflower. So this one we pick the flowers this time of year, and we'll pick for another month yet, and then we make it into a vinegar. Used for cocktails, desserts, ice creams. And a lot of people just like drinking it with soda water. So these are our nasturtiums. They'll come in this dark orange and also a light orange color. And then we pair it with chili peppers and we get a peppered nasturtium vinegar. So this one is really good in a Caesar. This is one that's really, really good if you want to rim the top of a glass and dip it in salt for a beverage. I like this one for hot and spicy pulled pork. There's so many different, if you want any more recipes, there's tons online.
I'm just curious, what motivates you?
What motivates me? I love to see things grow. So if I can take a cutting, a seed, and make something grow from nothing, that's what I want to do.